So we're back at the shop, or at the storage. Right now, kind of what's happening. We're gonna get the car up in the air so we can take the wheels off. Since we're in the dirt, we're gonna place some boards under the jacks as we lift the car up.
Dodge, the old Mopar stuff, or Dodge stuff, the front right tire was reverse thread. So since we're not worried about these brakes or rebuilding any of this, we're just going to knock out these studs and put right-hand thread studs in it and then put it back on.
See you in the single cab. Just kind of what we're looking like. So tires hold air now. You see new studs, the hub. So yeah, we're pretty much there.
So as we said earlier, we're not keeping these on here. We just have to make this work to be able to move the car around. But we're definitely putting disc brakes on this sometime in the future. Back in 1998, I put a brand new master cylinder on this thing, and have not bled the brakes on it yet. So that should tell you something. Get a hammer.
Brand new Pirellis.
Ah, yeah, right.
This is the first lug nut I've seen that actually kind of sleeves over the stud.
Yes, it is for me too.
Yes, sir. Alright, so a little recap of where we're at right now. The Demon's already pretty much ready to get picked up. That's where we're at with the car. I just got the hood back in place. I put the passenger door back on with the fender and stuff inside. That's the dash.
Here it comes.
this is what we've been holding out on. Well, since I've been out of power at my spot, we've kind of had this in the works. So I just finished the month out where I was at, and I had to get all my stuff out by the 31st of August. So yeah, we finally got the Demon out. I got it into our new location. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Car's in place now. See, we got a bit of room to work with, and this is where I'll be.